It's time for some X game. Super Nintendo. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to test out the SNES games on the X game console. So yeah, that's the question. How are they running on the system? Is it crap? Then we have a problem, because I will not be happy. Alright, let's go. It's time for Mortal Kombat number 2 from the Super NES. Is it laggy? Wow! Is it me or is the sound pretty freaking fucked? Wow, it's lagging as hell. Man. Alright. Wow, this is really unplayable, man. No, this is really unplayable. This doesn't look very promising. Alright, let's test out another game, because this is horrible. Alright, let's try out Mega Man X or Rockman X. The sound is good this time. It seems to be that it is running just fine. It's not a great frame rate. Oh, got an extra life. Not bad at all, I must say. If you look at Mortal Kombat, that was really horrible. So it's serious depending what game you are playing, because that Mortal Kombat is horrible and this one is playable. I see some little screen tearing spots. Alright, this game is playable. Shall we try out another one? Yes, we do. One of my favorite games, Turtles in Time. Alright, that sounds just like it should be. Music is good. Let's choose Michelangelo. So the funny fact about this is, the games are, yeah, it's depending a little bit what game you are playing, because this thing sounds just great. Here comes the soundtrack. Here comes the soundtrack. Yeah, the frame rate is just great. It's super fast. It's just going great. Come on, just come here. Oh, one button. So yeah, if you look at the first game, like Mortal Kombat, it was totally unplayable. The second game was a way better, because yeah, the music was not that great, but the frame rate was decent. But now you see that this game is just running perfectly. That's pretty weird. Normally you would say that the other game, if one game doesn't run, all the games run like crap, but pizza time! Whee! Alright. Let's play a little bit of Bob. And also this game sounds just great. Sound effects are just great. Oh, it is a Japanese version, something like that. Alright. Even the little sound effects when these stop moving or breaking, how you want to call it, are just working fine. I can swap weapons. Oh, nice. Triple shots. This game is so much fun. Oh yeah. Oh, man. Ow. Haha, missed me. So yeah, no problem at all with this game. I love this triple shell, by the way. Ow. Alright, let's test out Mario. Yeah, come on, Justy. Let's go adventure. Yoo-hoo! Let's go! Woo! Woohoo! 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 Whoa, whoa. The controller just freaked out. Whoop, missed me. Whee! Ah, missed me. So yeah, this game runs just fine. A little bit of screen tearing here and there, not very, yeah, that is very horrible, but yeah, nothing that ruins the gameplay. So yeah, for the final conclusion, the Super NES part on the X game console is not bad at all. It got some screen tearing, it got really some issues with some games, so it's not perfect, it's a little bit of a shame. But overall, not bad at all. I want to thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can always leave in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome and wicked videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.